ngaze ngamsizela uThando, guys. Kahle kahle Thando does not have support, guys. If it's not her husband, it's her father. If it's not a father, it's her mother. It's the in-laws. Kahle kahle, who is Thando's pillar of strength, guys? Who? Because like everyone, it's like they demanding something from her or angazi, guys. But on this latest episode of Isengane Lengane, guys, we found out that ugogo Thando passed away. Rest in peace to her. You know, if you've watched and followed Isengane Lengane, you'd know that uThando no Gogo they were extremely close. Their relationship was a beautiful one. Whenever uThando would go home, you'd see how the granny would ululate, amkikizele, and like just be happy for uThando. And Thando loved her granny as well. So I was sad for uThando when I heard that her granny passed away. Well, when I saw it last week, Bebe Shiluuti, someone passed away in Tando's family, but it did not click to me that it was actually Tando's granny, the one she's close to. My heart was painful because I just felt like, yo, Utando goes through so much. And you know, despite the stuff that we say and all of that, Utando, she's a soft girl, guys, and I feel like she's got a good heart. It's just that isimo aguso, like takes out the worst out of her, and hence manjia telela and stuff like that. But utelela, the husband, but utandonje, when it comes to other people, you can see Uti, she does have a level of respect. But Isimo just brings the worst out of her. Isimo with Usiatla brings the worst out of her. But Tando's granny passed away, you guys, and on this episode, Utando was traveling to her granny's house for the funeral. And the beautiful thing is that Mama Bagwa, Lamuga, they covered her, they accompanied her, and I thought that was so beautiful for them to support Utando like that. I really don't think people like for me, when I saw that, I knew that it was gonna hit Utando like that. But the people around her, I really don't think they expected or thought that it was going to affect Utando like that. And I'm like, but guys, if you've seen how Tando is close with her grandmother, for me, I feel like her grandmother has been more like a mother to her than Utando's actual mother. So anyway, the Tabete, not the Tabete, the Lamuga wives, Mamka, Peyev, then they get there, they have the funeral. Next thing, guys, during the funeral, Umagatando, Ubizutando, Italil, basically asking a Tando when Uhola Malim, how much do you get as a Ati Haigabi? Haigabi, Pata Uhola Malim. And I'm just like, Aibo, imagine, like, why are you busy concerned about the child with uhola malinu Tando? Like, how is that any of your business? And then Tando asked her mother, how ma? When now like I've asked you how much you get as a salary, but you've never told me. And she's like, and I like I'm your mother, like that's why I wouldn't tell you. I'm just like, Aibo, Wushuguti, just because Tando is like your daughter, she must tell you everything. And Zella, you guys are gonna take much more advantage of her. So now Tando's mother ends up getting angry. Utando's mother's like, I don't see uyenza nemali. I heard from Facebook ukuthi nina niholo 25K, 25,000, but angiyiboni imali yakho ukuthi wenzani. Basically, she's complaining that more like the situation there Gibo ekhaya is bad, and she's telling Tando uyabona ukuthi akunakudla efrijini, akunalutho in the containers, so you need to send money here at home and help out. And Tando's like, no, before I came to the funeral, a week before I came to the funeral, these people called me and told me there's no money, and I sent 1,000 rands. So Tando's mother's like, yeah, you sent 1,000 rands, but you came to the funeral and you don't patanga luto pete, like a case of beer and angazinani nezingwa or bread, and basically complaining and saying Utando needs to lift up her socks and Utando needs to support the family there. And she's like, Tando angithi uyazi ukuthi unosiso hlala lana. Hayi bo, akanazo nentloni guys. Hayi bo. She's basically telling Thando ukuthi you have a sister that stays here, so that's why you need to send more money home. That time, and then uThando uyambuza ukuthi hayibo ingane yakho nje. Athi yes ngiyazi kodwa mina I have a sister and I'm helping out my sister. When my sister was sick, I sent 1,000 rands to my sister. When you must help out your sister as well. I'm like, this woman has no shame. That is your child, and you want to take that responsibility of you taking care of your child. You want to shift it on uThando. You really? Tando's trying to tell her, listen, I've got responsibilities, I've got a child. Like, if ungabuza abantu engiphilisana nabo, they'll tell you that I've got responsibilities as well. Tando's mother's basically fighting uThando that Thando must tell her how much she earns, and uThando needs to basically support Le Endlin. And then after it, Thando was like, but like, how are you asking this of me? I am a child. I am just a child here. You are the one, kahle kahle. If sikhuluma iqiniso, you are the one who's supposed to be doing that because this is your home. That is your child stays here. I am just a child here. Um, and she's basically saying, even when I moved into my marital home, Aldamuga, you've never sent me a cent. And then uMathando was like, ungangihlanyeli mina bengisebenzaphi. And my question is, uThando sebenzaphi, guys? Yes, uThando is getting money from Imoja Love. I don't know yet if Imoja Love is sending that money monthly. I don't think so. I think it's a once-off thing. But like, how can you know? No ways. That and you can see, guys, she's like angry. And then when Uthando is telling her, would you know, like, you asking too much of me. I am just a child. Uyamtshela ukuthi ungangibheki emehlweni futhi. Like, I'm just like, this woman is toxic. This woman is toxic. And she's like, if ufuna ungibizela umyeni wakho wena nosiyacela nikhulume ngami kwamadayari ukuthi mina hehe anginandaba and whatnot. I'm just like, you fighting over Thando's money when ukhiphe 1,000 guy one. And you took that 1,000 rand to your sister's house. Now you want to make a big deal. How many times has Thando been supporting? Not only that, guys, we've seen time and time again when Thando goes home, you'll see her with grocery, with what. So I'm just like, Thando's mother, guys. That's why I'm saying I feel sorry for uThando because Thando has a bad father who speaks about her like that, but she has an equally bad mother. Like uThando, uMakaThando, and uBabaThando bayazifanele, if you're being quite honest. Last week, guys, it was the in-laws asking ukuthi uThando uyenzani imali. And I was saying, at least Botando, I understand there. At least Botando staying there. She needs to help out somehow. Do you understand? I'm saying, I understand. But she can't help out in two households. That's not possible. And then in the West, which babangumsindo, that time, young like guys, that time there's a funeral, uMakaThando is busy making noise and whatnot. Now there's a drama yoguti why nishutele endlini. There was a misunderstanding ukuthi uThando and her mother bashutele endlini and they were not supposed to take content endlini. Now they bazamukhaza ukuthi no. Yay, then Thando's mother is swearing people there ebatshela ukuthi ngeke bamtshela ukuthi enzeni. She will do whatever she wants. Niyamazi-ke uMakaThando ukuthi ukuhlaza njani. When her true colors, ningampheki ngicabanga ukuthi when she's quiet ukuthi alright. When her true colors start or show, you'll see ukuthi uMakaThando, yeah, she's crazy, that one. But it's sad, you guys, it's sad. And this is the reality, you guys, for a lot of black children that the black text thing is a serious thing. And I don't even like that word black text because Tina, as abantu abamnyama, we grew up knowing that you must assist. And that is true, but don't ask too much or don't ask something of your children that you yourself know ukuthi iyakuhlula. First uMakaThando mncane, she can go get work, she can go work. She's not old leyo ndlela to not get a job. She can go and get work and assist there at her household because it's a lot for uThando. It's a lot. Even if guys uThando is hollering imali engakho because uThando says ukuthi she hollers way more than 25K. It's still her decision on how much she wants. If Utando helps out, that is good that she's helping out. But don't ungamkhethela ukuthi she helps out ngamalini. No, that is too much. That is too much, you guys. And we need, as black people, we need to start unlearning that thing of making children. Ukuthi like they must ukuthi like with white children, guys, yes, the situation's not the same. They're not starting from ground A. Kodwa thina bantu abamnyama, once our children works, mele basebenzele thina. Hi guys, bona, when do they get time to live their lives and like bafeza amaphupho wabo? It's not fair, guys. If a person's able to help, they must help with what they can. Besides that, even if you feel like umuntu unemali, like don't ever utter that thing ukuthi ubuza umuntu ukuthi wenzani ngemali, like unless the person is borrowing money and stressing you, then you have a right to ask what are they doing with their money. Besides that, it is none of your business. Anyway, guys, tell me, what did you think of this episode of Isengla Nelengane? Tando, I feel sorry for her, and you know what? I feel the pain for her for losing her granny, but I feel like Utando, Alana Muntula, that truly like will fend for her and defend her in that way. Please do make sure that you like the video, guys. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.